Hey everybody, welcome to week 27. It is a short week. We only have 4 days this week. There is no school on Friday. So please know that all of this work is due on Thursday this week. It is due before spring break. No late work for this week will be accepted. I want to go on spring break just as much as you guys do. It's a pretty simple week from the standpoint of we're only learning basically one new skill, and that is how to put links in a PowerPoint. So it's set up the same way. We still are going to have Monday and Wednesday at 11. They're totally voluntary, and you will have your 3 assignments. Assignment 1 is basically showing you how to put hyperlinks in a PowerPoint, and the online version and the downloaded version are pretty close to the same, so I only did one video. You should be able to follow it, whichever one you have. Basically, you're going to insert a table. You're going to change the color of the cells of the table. You're going to put in 4 words, the 4 seasons, and then you are going to link those words to online information. And that is all you have to do for assignment 1. Assignment 2, we're taking it a step further, and you are going to apply it to women's history, since it's Women's History Month. And we're doing famous women in technology. So there are 10 choices for you that I gave you. You are going to do the same thing you did in assignment 1, except for you're going to double the size. It's going to be a table of 8. Each cell will have a different color background. You will have a picture of the person, their name, and their name will link to a page on the internet that gives us information about it. For this assignment, Wikipedia is fine because it is about the skill of adding a link and not necessarily the content. However, I do want you to take a minute or two to read about these women who made a difference, because most people think that technology is a very male-dominated field, but there have been huge accomplishments by women. So I would like you to take time, but for right now, I only need you to have an 8-box table. Each one of the boxes need to have a different color. It should have a name and a picture of a famous woman in technology history. You can save this one as Q3A15, this one up here is Q3A14, and that will finish out quarter 3. And then this week is a typing week, and if you want, you can go ahead and do your typing test just to see how you're doing. Hopefully you are practicing a couple times a week, every day. But what I want you to do is it's a worksheet about the things that we have learned through the year about proper way to type. You can take do the worksheet twice, so you have no reason not to get 100. After you take it the first time, it will show you the correct answers, so you should be able to take it the second time with no issues. Other than that, it is, like I said, a pretty simple week. We're learning this one skill, so don't procrastinate. Please turn in your work, because once I turn in grades on Friday, I turned in grades. So you have until Thursday night to get these 3 assignments done and submitted, and any other work that you owe me. All right, well, have a great week. Have a wonderful spring break if I don't see you or hear from you. And I hope that you are staying safe and healthy.